जय श्रीमन्नारायण. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 3rd chapter कर्मयोगम 18th श्लोक. गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा teaching कर्मयोगम to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Oh Arjuna, there are few duties supposed to be performed without being attached to the fruits of those actions for anyone to get self-realization. But as I said, those who have already got their self-realization because of their past good deeds, they don't have to perform all these duties. If at all they decide to perform, there is nothing additional thing that they are going to gain. And if at all they decide to not to perform these duties, there is nothing that they are going to lose. For Arjuna, these self-realized souls, though they are in this world, prapancham, they do not depend on anything. They will be in this world, but they are detached from the world. They will be completely drowned in enjoying Atma. Like this, Krishna Paramatma saying that how the self-realized soul will be detached from the worldly things, though they are living in the world. Having Krishna Paramatma's teaching running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Naiva tasya krutena na krute neha kaschana nachasya sarvabhuteshu kaschidardha vyapashrayah. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. "O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava." Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, We want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.